Hey guys, this is Kitchen, and today we have lightning outside. I'm sorry, I'm not going to put this on YouTube. Oh my, but I want to see if there's actually going to come lightning on the camera, because I've seen where the lightning swallows doing musicalese, and so I want to know if it comes on camera. Probably won't. I will be super lucky if I will. This is not a copied video. This is my room. Well, not my room, but, you know, living room. Just going to look up at the clouds. Just wait. I might also be quiet for a few minutes or something, just to see if the lightning will come, because I don't have much to talk about. So, I'll be quiet in 3, 2, 1. Please be lightning. I just saw some over there earlier on that pole, the long, no, not the short one, but the one behind it, the super long one, like the one you just see there. It's like for like, what do you call it? For Wi-Fi. I want to just do the curve. No lightning. No. I just saw lightning before. What happened to it? It was so intense. Oh, be careful, biker. Be careful, biker. There will be lightning. If you see, there's a biker there just biking, like, oh, la la la, nothing's wrong, there's no lightning, whatever. And strike it. It will strike him. Yeah, keep zooming in. Everything is boring. We're already sitting here for 4 minutes. 4.5, I should say. I hear something, but I'm not sure what it is. Gonna be saying to everyone that walks past, like, oh, you know, everything's fine, huh? Yeah, I know, right? It's gonna be thunder and lightning and that, you know? Just gonna do that. You see a bit in the glass. I'm holding my phone. Hi. You didn't see my face yet? Well, I'm a bit sick. I have no school till Thursday. 1.5 weeks no school. Back to the lightning cam. I have this something on my tongue. I don't know what it is. It's very annoying. I just had some few Oreos. It might be from that. It's like a little bump. The clouds just moved. They were like all only up there. Now they're all there. The sunset is going. Hey, mister. Hey, mister. Hey, mister. Everything's fine, huh? Just chilling and walking like nothing's wrong. The old man, he doesn't know anything. If the lightning would strike, I'd get him inside. Like whoever he is. Might be a robber that breaks into our house. Hmm. 6.5 minutes here. My gosh. I'm bored. I'm actually watching TV at the same time. I'm watching Spike from Nickelodeon, but it's all boring. It's reclamas. Well, not reclamas, but ads. Why did I say reclamas? It's in Dutch. Sorry. Used to saying that. I wish I could set this lightning cam for longer, but my arm's really starting to hurt. I was doing this with one arm because my other arm's a bit numb. I fell a bit, so now it's a bit numb. So my arm really hurts. Maybe when 10 minutes is over, I'll be able to put the cam down and I might make a video later because I'm actually pretty tired and it's about 9:30 or 10 o'clock or something. I'm pretty tired. It's pretty late for 10 o'clock because it's like spring, or summer. Still spring, I think, but super tired still and just want to relax actually in front of the TV, just eat my chips. See my crisps. Boredom. I hear birds outside. I don't have the window open, but I guess I just have really good ears, or they're just in our garden. They must come along our garden. There's one time a bunny that went into our garden. I saw it with my own eyes. Just some kids didn't believe me. They were like, yeah, wow, how could I believe that? But then Dutch, of course. Well, in 1.5 minutes, this lightning cam will stop and make a video later. I thought it was just lightning, but it wasn't. It was just lighting. I'm actually looking at the phone and at the same time outside, so I don't really know what I'm videoing right now. A few seconds. Like about 50 seconds or something. Okay, I just saw a bird. Be careful, bird. Just something black. It was probably a bird. Like a black bird. Or a crow. It's almost finished. Don't worry. Don't worry. Oh my god, my arm's really hurting. And from my neck is now hurting too. Oh, by the way, do you guys see the Angry Birds movie? Comment down in the comment section below. Comment in the comment section below if you watched the Angry Birds movie, because I'm going to watch it tomorrow in 3D. So yeah. 3, 2, 1. Bye.